Hello everyone and welcome to our updates on the 1st of November 2023. So we're starting off with our weather warnings for the UK from the Met Office, and this is because we have Storm Ciarán coming tomorrow, and that will bring some very serious impacts, especially to the south coast of the UK. We have some rain warnings for the east of Scotland, northeast England, down into Wales and southern England, a yellow wind warning for South Wales, southern England towards East Anglia, also two amber wind warnings, one for Cornwall into Devon, the other for the south coast, including parts of Kent. The first amber wind warning is from 3 a.m. tomorrow till 11 a.m. This is for Cornwall and parts of Devon. If you go to what to expect, debris, damage to buildings and homes, structures, trees and power lines brought down, roads, bridges, transport closed. So that means that there'll be a lot of disruption to travel, power cuts as well, also coastal flooding and debris on beaches. For the details, so on the coast, wind gusts may reach 70 to 80 miles per hour, and inland about 65 to 75 miles per hour. Also, something to note is that this low has a large centre, meaning that there's a large area where the winds are light, and there'll be a very sharp line between the light winds towards the centre of the low and the stormy winds on the fringe of the low. See what I mean? And this area, this line, is still uncertain at the moment. So do watch out. If the line, this amber warning probably shows you the colour points of the strongest winds through here. If it changes, they'll probably change the warning to fit the change. Again, you can see we have a high impact but quite low likelihood. The other amber warning is from tomorrow at 6 a.m. till 5 p.m. tomorrow. Pretty much same values for wind speeds. However, the difference is that in exposed areas we may see wind gusts in excess of 85 miles per hour. Again, same likelihood and impact level. So the satellite shows Ciarán quite nicely. The center of the low is through here, and it will be barreling tonight in this direction. So it will cross over southern UK, and strongest winds on the southern and western flank. Also, parts of Normandy and Brittany in France have red warnings in force. So if you're there, northern France, southern UK, this is time to take action. Be vigilant, and see what happens. Stay safe. If the wind's on, you can just see this core of very strong gusts heading in, especially to western France, Normandy as well, also clipping the south coast of the UK. So these areas here will bear the brunt of Storm Ciarán. Looking at the UKV HIRAS charts, so we can see that we've got the rain coming up tonight from the south. That will mainly clip the southeast of Ireland. Very wet for the UK and France, and very windy as well, stormy. Beyond that, we'll see the weather dry up tomorrow. Partly cloudy, cloudiness in the east. Tomorrow evening, the cloud will come back from the north with some showers, especially in the west and north. Into Friday, we see a northerly flow bringing sun showers, most frequent in the north, driest in the south, with sunshine. Saturday sees a front move in. This sort of stalls in the south, so it brings a wet night and morning into the south of the country, and then it moves eastwards. A few showers lingering in the east in the afternoon and evening. They clear off into the overnight hours, and Sunday turns into a showery day. Showers heaviest and most frequent in the west and north, driest in the east and south. And Monday, we see quite a similar story, but it does go dry later on, with showers becoming confined to the north. We will look at the wind gusts from this model. They're in miles per hour, by the way. So, wind gusts for Ciarán are looking like this. So, tomorrow, midnights, gusts on the south coast of the UK, getting up towards 65 miles per hour. Inland, between 50 and 60 miles per hour. In the southeast of the UK, you can see extreme winds here off the chart. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. You can see that northern France gets battered in some areas on the western facing coast by 100+ mile per hour gusts. The Channel Islands, extremely stormy tonight. Then these strong winds of about 70 to 90 miles per hour move into Cornwall into the early hours of the morning. You can see extreme winds then exiting France towards the Channel, and then they do move into the UK during the day. Midday, very strong winds on that south coast, moving northwards and eastwards, and they clear off by evening. Then finally, looking at the longer range with the GFS run, so we can see Ciarán moving into tonight, and we see rain in the southeast. Luckily for us, it's only rain. We do have a warning in force for rain, but compared to red warnings for winds and warnings for winds, we're very lucky. Had this been a few hundred kilometers further north, we'd have been in the firing line for extreme weather tonight. Tomorrow, this storm moves away, and we go into a spell of northerly winds. After that, another low comes in from the wests, and that brings some rain on Saturday, especially in the south. That clears away. Showery Sunday, showery Monday. Beyond that, we see a westerly flow and more lows coming in from the west into next week. Northerly flow possibly on the 11th. We keep it westerly. We keep it unsettled. Wet, windy. You get that low forming right over us there on the 14th. Jet stream so mainly to our south. So again, the lows are closer to us than normal. And we get northerly again on the 16th of November. Quite a cold one actually. Upper temperatures with this one. Get the -5 ice storm in. I think properly for the first time this season actually. On Friday the 17th of November. This is the ECM run. So if we get this up. Okay. So we can see tomorrow we have Storm Ciarán. Friday we have showery winds. Saturday we have a wet day in the south, dry in the north. Sunday we see a showery day on these northwesterly winds. Monday, westerly winds and showers. Tuesday, showery. Wednesday, showery at first, but I think turning wet in the south later on, as this area of low here starts moving in. Thursday next week, we go showery again and quite cool. Friday, drier and quite crisp. Saturday, we start off dry, but we go milder as this front moves in from the west. The UK Met run, looking at this. So we can see that Ciarán really does blow up. It's still going through its deepening phase at the minute, actually. It's called rapid cyclogenesis. When an area of low pressure deepens by 24 or more HPA millibars in less than 24 hours. So, moving off into Thursday, Friday, that storm clears away, keep it showery, especially in the north. Then Saturday is wet in the south, showery in the north, and showery Sunday, showery Monday. However, we could see a little feature come in on Monday evening, bring a spell of rain quite widely, and beyond that, Tuesday, Wednesday, we keep it showery, but this low should bring a spell of more wet and windy weather again. The GEM, kind of this. So the GEM, would it be any difference? We've got quite a high confidence with between models recently that this pattern is likely to stay, but you know, well, but where exactly loads and features will form is up for grabs. So, as you can see, Ciarán moving in, extreme weather for southern UK and France tonight, or should I say, northern France tonight. Friday, Saturday, showery, especially in the north. Saturday sees rainfall in the south. And then we go showery Sunday, Monday, on these westerly flows. Wednesday, we see a very active cold front move in. That brings some wet and windy weather in. Then Thursday next week, we go showery. That low comes in, that dives in. And actually, we see high towards Greenland. And as it clears off, this low takes outwards. This high ridges towards Scandinavia. An easterly flow moves in. How cold is this? Not very cold, but still quite interesting pattern. You saw the GEM. Now it's the icon. Here's the icon run. Again, Ciarán tonight. Then after that, we go showery before the next low comes in Saturday, bringing its rain showers. After that, westerly flow comes in again. There is a bit of uncertainty over whether a front will move in on Monday evening or not. Some have it, some don't. So that needs an eye on. That needs an eye kept on it. After that, we see an active cold front on Wednesday, bring wet weather. And this low looks stormy on Wednesday, actually. Especially for us this time, actually. So just to the north, very strong westerly winds around it. That's one to watch if it comes off. Only one chart showing it for now. I don't want this. We can get rid of this, okay? Thank you for trying to offer me that. I need to hover on. Okay, so we see Ciarán, and after that, we see a showery day on Friday, wet day on Saturday for the south, shower after that. On Monday, we see this little feature possibly moving in for the evening. I think the arpege, if we put the precipitation on. Yeah, we do have a feature out here. This could move eastwards on Monday evening. Anyway, thanks for watching. Well, for now, if you're in any areas like southern UK, northern France, western France, stay safe in Storm Ciarán. Good luck to you, and admire it from the safety of your own homes. In Ireland, just let's be grateful that it's not for us. Anyway, stay safe in all the rain, as you know, the ground is so wet recently. Any rain will be good, and come back for more on this deluge. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.